So we start now in 2 minutes. I'm sorry for my voice. I don't know if it will be 1 hour today, we'll see. Maybe I need to take a small break, take some coffee and something, we'll see. I'll make sure sound, everything is in order. We'll post in the groups now so we get people in. So we start now in 1 minute and then we go from there. Like I said, I don't know how long time I will be live today, depending if it come a few more people than normal. Few more people for me, it's anything more than 5. It's a little dead my channel right now, so I try to get life in it again by doing these live sessions. So we'll start when that there. I think we can just start now. My trading style is very simple. I trade in support and resistance. So for example, I will trade, let me see, around here. In this case, you can see we would have lost 1, 2 trades, but the rest we would have won, you see. So it's all about the winning chance we have. In the bottom here, quite frankly, I don't have any area right now. So currently, we can change the color on this one, just for fun of it. Make it red. So if you come up to this red line there, if I see we cross it, I push down. And if you cross, I try to see how much we cross it and I take the trade. Like, I could have taken it there, but that was too fast for me. Let's see again, if we can come up. And I'm in there. So now we just need to wait 26 seconds. As you see, most of the time we don't need to win. This is not a 100% win rate, but most of the time when you put the trade there, you see that we are going to win. So it's basically just trading support and resistance. It's that simple. It's no magic in trading. And $92, just like that. Sometimes it feels simple, but it's not, because obviously he can break the line. It's not written in stone that I would win this trade, but we can see from the history, we see this one we would have won, this one we would have won. Would we have taken this? Yes, this one we would have won. Lost one, won, lost. This we will not have taken. 1, 1, 1. And here now we are above. And you see, if I'd entered here now, not talking so much, I would probably have won that one also. As you see now, it's very far down. So it's basically just trading, support, resistance, and that's it. Don't need to do anything else. We don't need all these magical indicators that YouTubers like to use, that to confuse you. So it's a reason why you lost the trade, you know. I try to keep it real. I try to keep the strategy that actually do work. in that case, I will never promise you that you will make money following my session. Yes, most of the time you are winning, but I can have a losing session. It's nothing wrong with that. I do not have a 100% win rate. I can show you a little about my win rate, because people like to show that also. So let's take 4 days back. Okay, so let's take from 15 till 18. Okay, and let's apply that so you don't get too many trades. So here you see some of the trades I've taken. I will say this is quite decent, right? So through these days, I have 72% win rate. So, and you see my trading profit is 1087. That's quite good, right? But then you can see here, if you came in, for example, and you trade this pair with me, you have lost money, right? But you won on all the other ones here. But if you just came in the wrong time and you think, wow, I will go in all in on the trade here, and you go all in on this trade here, obviously you would have lost money. So let's take a look at this trade now. That was for Australian dollar against, I think that's even is 2 trades. No, here we have it. So you can see the trades here. We traded basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and he won only 2. So you see, if you come in the wrong time, you can lose money. That's the thing. But of course, overall, sticking to the plan, sticking to support resistance, you see, we have a quite good win rate. 100%. If anyone come and tell you this trading strategy have a 100% win rate, no, it's bullshit. Don't exist. But this is a realistic. I will say 65%. We are doing good. Don't need 72. 65 is a good win rate. This is maybe a little more than I would say I have. Because we had many wins in a row, and I'm not expecting that. So I try to keep it real here, so you keep your expectations where they should be, you know. So you know, if I take a trade here now, you see, this one you would have lost, you see. So if I had traded here now, I think we started with this one. Let me think now. 5 minutes. Let's go 5 minutes back. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we did trade. I'm confused. Which time did we take the first trade? That was. Don't say the timeline. Let me go back here. We did take it 0-1 actually. Okay. Let's go back here now and let's be real. No, the line did go away, but that does not matter. It was here. So 0-1. Yeah, this is 36. Yeah, we did take the trade here. 1, 1, 1, lost. So we basically here would have 3 winners. Maybe it was this one. So let's say 50-50. You would have had a little small loss. Let's be real. So now I feel I'm done with this pair here. And let's move on. Let's see if we can find something else. This is euro against dollar. We don't even have it here, so let's take Turkish. Let's see how they are. Like here we see one clear one right away. It's no question. Up here I will easily take a trade. We then change this one to red. Now let me see who is live here now. When you come live, just tell me where you're from, if you're trading from before, if you're new to binary option, this type of things. I'm curious. Just tell me where you are from and if you trade binary option, and which type of strategy are you using today. I will not talk as much as normal because I'm almost losing my voice. But I did promise I was going to have a live session 9 today, so that's why I'm here. I don't know how long I will keep this going, but as long as I have a voice, I'll be here. So now currently we are looking for a sell trade on this red line here. We can see from this line now that we will have a quite good win rate up in that rate. So if you come up there again, we will go in. I might go and refill this glass soon, because I need the water to keep my voice going. That's the beauty when you start to succeed with the binary option. You can trade this full time, that even when you're sick, because I would have no problem trading here for a little while now, but as I need to talk at the same time, then make it more difficult, right? But if I was trading by myself, I don't need to be talking, I just can put some music, and because yes, sometimes I can listen to music especially when I trade Forex, I don't manage, because then I need to be so concentrated to find the trade, set up the set. Here is so simple. It's just find a specific line, just wait for it and push. Basically, just go here, push down. It's that simple. But with Forex, no, I don't listen to music while I'm trading. But the binary option, yeah, why not? Binary option is very simple. Like that, it's not. I don't say that you will make money, because I don't have 100% win rate. Like you did see, I have 72% win rate the last few days, but 65% is a good place to go to. I think that's more or less where you should be. Then you're making money. That's the most important, and you make money fast with binary option. So, but never ever start to add, like I said before, start to add any of these indicators. Like people use alligator, and looks so nice when you look on the chart. Like then they can say, oh yeah, you do the take on the cross, and you go down, and you have this and that, and blah blah blah. The problem is that they are lagging. I did prove that yesterday. The problem is, I can show you here, for example, you add the most used one. If you search in YouTube and you see 2-minute strategy. I'm nothing against this YouTuber, misunderstand me correctly, but it's not working. The problem is, see here now, he's crossing. Will he go down now, you think? No, obviously not, because it's here is a big chance. No, maybe. Of course, while I'm telling this, he go down, right? It's typical. It's typical. But let's see if he end up down. Of course, he do it on 2 minutes. This is 30 seconds. But there should not be different between these different time zones. But actually, you would have lost this trade. And you see the cross now is marked there. The problem is that does not work. Of course, then he can say, but you need to have the cross above the 0. So let's then go here then. You take a cross, you have the cross here. You would actually maybe have won that trade. Okay, let's see here. Okay, looks quite nice now actually. I will not lie. But the thing is, I have followed this strategy myself. In my early days, I think when I started trade binary option, wow, I think I was closer to around my 20s, and yes, obviously I'm in my 40s now. And I was first time looking at binary option, things like this, and the thing is, MACD does not work. In the long run, I think the win rate was like more or less 50, and then you're losing money, because even when here you're getting actually quite much. You get 92%. Many brokers, if you go to IQ options, things, they give you like 70%. There's no way to make money. Even with my strategy, you will struggle to make profit. So you need this type of return, like 92%, to be able to make money. So even with my strategy in IQ options, it's no way to make money. And they are very smart there. They remove the possibility to trade if you start to make money. Yeah. If you find a pair, you find a setup that is working, suddenly you push, no, don't want you to trade more. They block it. They block it for you. Quite ridiculous, but they do. Now let's see if I can close the trade up here now. So yeah, it's not many brokers I like to trade on. So I keep just a few. And take advantage of what I have written to the side there, by the way. I decided I was going to write it instead of repeating it many times in video, because that can be quite annoying. So I just write it there instead. I hope you don't annoy you too much. I did put it in a place in a screen where we basically have nothing, by the way. So, but yes, take advantage of it. I think we go in there. Let's see. While we're waiting this trade, I'll go and get some water. What was that? Did we win or did we lose? That's the question. I need to wait and see. Looks like we did lose, but let's see. A zero trade. So we did not win and we did not lose. So we can say we got lucky or we can get unlucky. Or we can say both of them. But from looking the chart, looks like we were lucky. So basically it was more like we did not take the trade. Now let me see if I get some people writing to me here now. Let me see. Thank you so much for that. Where are you from? And you're lucky you're here now, because this is the best strategy. No, seriously. Any strategy, I'm not going to block you to take any type of strategy. Go for it. But I can tell you I have done all of them. And indicators, it's not worth your time. Sorry, I had Vacti up here and I forgot to remove it. Don't use it. Just keep it stupid simple. I have found that works best. So I don't think I see any place of the trade in the bottom here. Maybe down here. We can see. We can take one there now. Let's see. And I was thinking much about this to do live sessions like this. And I feel there are too many YouTubers that are showing this $1 to 1 million or something crazy like that, right? And they magically win every single trade. I want them, tell them to do live session like this, and then let them show you do that. Because I don't manage. I remember I did try this back. I did try this challenge myself. I did not start with $1. I started with $100, and I was going to try to take it to. Was it to 10,000? Was it 1,000? I don't remember. But I did not manage. Yes, I won actually a few trades in a row. I did double up. I did all this good stuff. But no, I did not manage. So I would really want to see them have a live session like this and do it really in front of people, and then show me that they can do something like that, because for me it seems a little sketchy. I don't see how they do it. So I think there are much editing about this part, to be quite frankly. So I want to be real with you also. I don't want to show you fake expectations in binary option. I will show you the real, how it really is. And that's why I have decided that instead of I will, misunderstand me correctly, I will make some videos now and then. But I think most of my channel now I will do live like this. And I also give an option for you to follow. Like I will remove this line here now, by the way. Then you can see You see a number in right here now. If you feel for it, you can just copy me, put this number here, and you can trade. You don't even need to use my affiliate link you see in the right here. You can just have your own pocket option. But I was not going to say, but take advantage of it, because I give 60% of my affiliate income. So it works in the way that every trade you do, you get basically money back. The money I should have earned from your trade, you get back to your account. Even I don't have an account like that. I'm not allowed to have an account like that. So if you have an account from before, make sure you redraw everything. And that's very simple with pocket option. Redraw everything, close down the old account, open with this new, and you have everything in order. And then every trade you do, you get my affiliate income, 60% of it. So in some ways a win-win. I get a one more affiliate because I'll still make 40%, right? Because you're earning just 60, but you earn more. You earn more from what I should have earned from your trades. You understand? So, and no, I don't earn for your losers. I only lose for each trade you take. Win or lose, I make the same. So many YouTubers, because you have many options when you sign up for affiliate network. You have, I can make only from each time you deposit. So for each first time deposit, I can make like 50% of that. I said, screw that, I don't want that. I rather want to make from your success. So the only way I can make that is for each trade you do. So I make a small percent for each and single trade you do. I make a small income. And you have the number 3 that I think most of the YouTubers are using, that when you lose your money, then they get paid. Because basically 95% or even more are losing money with binary option. But I want to start to build up this 5% people that actually can make money, because I want you to succeed. First of all, I don't want you to lose money. Second of all, I think about myself also. I make a small percent, so every time you trade, I make more money. So I want you to succeed, even for myself. Because, of course, we all think about ourselves also, right? But to think about yourself, I also think about you, because in that way we both succeed. So yes, while you use my filtering, we have a win-win. You get more money because you get money back every time you're trading, and I make a small percent also. So you have a win-win thing here going on. That's why I also do this live session. So try to teach you a way that actually works, right? So you can trade the way I trade. Because you see a number up here now. I started with $100. Okay. I mean, you're not trading on real account, blah, blah, blah. Okay, see here. Demo account, real account. Let me just push over the demo here now. Just so you can see, this is a demo. And here you have real. So now we have removed that. I can even go to my trading profile, because there are always so many haters. So let's go to my trading profile. There you have, real account. So let's get that out of the way. So make sure you like now this live session, because to be quite frankly with you, I have been jumping a little all over the place in my YouTube channel. First I started a little with crypto, then I started with Forex, binary option, then for a very long time, I think for more than 1 year, I was only using robots, but I did see so many people was losing money with the robots, and I do not like that. So then I rather want to show my own trading style. And then I have lost a little momentum in my channel. I see like I have 5,700 followers, and I'm getting like 40, 50 views to my videos. It's terrible. I should have a few hundred at least, or even 1,000. So make sure you like this video. Also, when the video can post it later, comment on it and things like that. This helped me out. Well, let's see if we can find some trades again. If we could open, would be nice. Okay. The only thing I don't like with this broker, I would like to, you see, you can zoom in, right? I would like to zoom out more. So I can get a better view, so I don't need to do like this. I can see like, okay, do we have any areas? Because as I work with support resistance, I like to see where we should take a trade, right? So it looks like down here could maybe be an area. Let's mark that. Down around here, I think will be nice. Let's wait and see. Yeah, I forgot to say, I have closing time at 30 seconds and I have bars, you see here, at 30 seconds. Now let's see if there are anyone asking something. Nigeria, I have quite a lot of people from Nigeria. Seems like Nigeria is a country you like to trade binary option. I see much interest from there. Now let's see. How did you find my channel, by the way? Was it from WhatsApp or YouTube? Because I'm in Telegram also. So that's the three places that I've been promoting these three places. So yeah, tell me how you got there to this session. Currently, we can see a small trend here. Maybe you should think about trading that also. Let's put the trend line. Don't need to have the line so long. Let's see if we do like something like this. Let's see. Because yes, everything I do with Forex works with binary option also. So let's try to trade this trend line also. You'll be surprised at how much everything you do, because the most successful traders in Forex, they are trading with trend line, support, resistance, and then you have a few that do this magical, they think about a different type of shooting star and all this rubbish. I don't believe in that, but sometimes it looks nice, like you see here, for example, you have something, hammer and whatever they call everything. Because frankly, I don't know these things. I just work with support, resistance, trend lines. That's everything I do. I did look so many trading strategies for Forex and binary option. I was joining academies and everything back in the day. And then they tried to make it so difficult. They use this Fibonacci and all these things. Fibonacci actually, I would say it can work actually, because you somehow when you put a Fibonacci, the lines fits quite nice. You can see if you have Fibonacci here, do we? Let me see. Maybe it's here. I don't see where we have Fibonacci, and I don't use it. There, now here we have it, Fibonacci. Let's try to put up that now, just for fun. So if you put it there, and to the highest point here, do you see? Fits quite nice with my line, do you see? The 50%. So somehow the lines from Fibonacci, so I'm not going to ditch Fibonacci. Fibonacci actually work. So let me do it correctly there. Take from the start. Start of the trend to the top of the trend. And you see this 50 line works pretty quite close to the line I did put up here. So Fibonacci actually works. So if you're lazy to put up the lines like I do, Fibonacci actually works. You can trade it. But it can make you confused with all these lines. So maybe you should remove some of the lines, but yeah, it do works. You can just keep the 50% maybe. So now I'm planning to take a sell. You can make this one red just to present it correctly. If we come up to this line up here, we will take a sell and we will take a buy on the green. Let's continue. I'm a little disappointed how few people have come into this live session. But of course it's Sunday morning, so now we are ready. We are in. Now let's see how this turns out. Anyone else? I've got 8 likes at least. Thank you for that. If you have not pushed the like button, do it now. So 5, 4, 3, 2, and I think, did we lose that trade? I really thought we won it. Okay. But I think, by the way, we will not trade this one more because it's 80%. It's too little. Let's take this one. So then we have 50% win rate till now. I did see it in the green when the bar was stopped. So that means we move it just a little up, right in the time of closing. That's okay. Now let's see down here. I don't like this movement here. I think we take the next. Let's see. No. Actually, we had one here now. If we come down again, I did like it down here. We can mark it so you can see. If we come down here again, yes, for sure we're going to take a trade. So it's a little slow on the trigger. Let's see if we can get new chance down there. Now let's see. Problem, we do have a support here also, so maybe we might get the momentum to continue up here now. Looks like we lost this opportunity. I think we can just move on. Here we are basically trending downwards, so it makes no sense to touch this one. Here we have something. If you come down to this region, I will take it. Little more. There, I take it there. I'm quite happy with that entry. If for some reason we come down here, I will take one more. Now let's see. Now we are very unlucky with our trades today. He were in the money and did go out in the last second again. I start to be a little annoyed about this now. But it's okay. Let's make a new line. Now we are trading down here. I'm in there. Now we have lost enough. I have now 3 losses in a row. If I lose one more, I stop for the day. Then I have a losing day, and that is good for you to see also that is possible. But yes, looks like we are going to have a losing day. So there, then we stop for the day. Actually, we have this one we did not lose. So we had 3 losers in a row. That's where I typically stop. So then we can go to the statistic here now. Let's choose our day, apply. It's not here yet, but we should then have $308 in minus. So if we now, let's just wait. Typically we need to wait around there it comes in, so actually it's not. Let me see. 208. Okay. Yeah, 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 because you won one. Of course, yeah. So $208 in minus. So if we then take for the last days here now, like I did in the start, from here to there, our profit now is 787, so still good. Only if I find something super good, I'll take one more trade. Let's see. Let's see. I am stubborn. I think I want to take a trade. No, we don't stop. We don't stop. I take one more there. We have a trade up here. Let's see. We take it. That's the last one. I promise. Let's see. And yes, this is the emotions. I should, when you have 3 losses in a row, you should stop. Okay, so don't do what I do now. But no, I don't have emotions to raise my bids. I learned it from that. But yes, I will take a trade down here and up there. Let's do that. This, I guarantee if I lose now, this will be the last. So now let's see what the market wants us to do here now. If you want us to trade more or stop. If I win this, I'll continue. Okay? If I lose, we stop. Now let's see. Come on. So, to make it correctly here now, we change this one for red. I feel most secure on the red, by the way. I don't know why, even though it's a trending upwards, I feel more for the red one. Even though I should be the green. But I want us to cross it to take a trade. Okay, we're getting close, but close is not good enough. Now let's see. So, okay, maybe we'll have the bottom trader then. By the way, take advantage of the account. You see it right there. Come on, give me a trade. So boring, this no movement. Almost, but I don't take on almost. I should have taken on almost. Let's see. Yes, I should have taken on almost. If we could trade in hindsight, we will be rich, right? We are all millionaires in hindsight. Now let's see if we can come up to this red line. We will. No. Okay, now we're ready in the bottom again. Almost. I did push early. I take one more. And one more there. Now let's see. Now I either win as a star or lose as a big loser. Now let's see what he wants to do. We lost. Okay, I think we lost 2 and 1-1. That's it for this video. Now I will stop. This of course don't break me. I'm just trading with $100 on a big account. But this is annoying. You see now he go up. So I just see that today the market is against us. Some will say the broker can looks like it, but it's not. But yes, we stop there. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you tomorrow same time. Actually, tomorrow I will do it 7:30 tomorrow. So have an amazing day, and see you tomorrow.